Seniors, add this simple ingredient to your oatmeal to keep your arteries clear and healthy. Most people believe a warm bowl of oatmeal is one of the absolute healthiest ways to kickstart the day, and they are completely right. But here is a crucial fact many folks over 60 don't realize. As we mature, our arteries naturally start to stiffen and lose their elasticity. And what you choose to mix into your oatmeal can actually determine whether those arteries stay flexible or slowly become clogged and hardened over time. Oatmeal is an excellent base, but by itself, it is simply not strong enough to effectively fight years of plaque buildup or repair aged blood vessels. That's why in this video, you will learn about 5 incredibly powerful natural ingredients you can stir directly into your morning oats. These are simple foods that can help actively clear out bad cholesterol, significantly boost circulation, and keep your heart pumping strong and steady for years to come. Be sure to stick around until the end because the #1 ingredient might genuinely surprise you. It's the one that can provide a noticeable improvement in your blood flow in just a few days. Before we jump into the list, please let me know in the comments where you are watching from and how your personal health journey has been progressing lately. The 5 powerful heart-healing ingredients. Cinnamon, the blood sugar stabilizer. Most of us think of cinnamon as just a gentle flavor for our oatmeal, but for those over 60, this everyday spice can quietly guard your arteries against one of the biggest hidden causes of stiffness and plaque buildup: sugar damage. When you eat any breakfast, your blood sugar naturally spikes. As we age, our bodies are less efficient at managing those spikes, especially after a lifetime of processed foods and refined carbohydrates. That excess sugar reacts with the proteins in your artery walls, creating sticky compounds that cause the vessel walls to become inflamed and stiff. Scientists refer to this hardening process as glycation, and it is a key reason arteries lose their youthful flexibility. Cinnamon acts like a gentle blood sugar stabilizer. It slows down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, helping your body keep blood sugar levels steady instead of letting them crash and surge. In practical terms, it keeps your bloodstream calm and balanced. Research has shown that adding cinnamon regularly can lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity by as much as 24%. When your sugar levels stay in check, your arteries remain smoother, more protected, and more elastic. Pro Tip: always choose Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes known as true cinnamon. It has a milder taste and contains much less coumarin, a natural compound that can be tough on the liver in high doses. Start with about half a teaspoon sprinkled over your oatmeal after it's cooked, so its natural oils and aroma remain fresh and potent. It's remarkable how something so small can transform both the taste of your meal and the health of your heart. Extra virgin olive oil here is one addition most people would never think to try. A gentle drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, EVO, on your warm oatmeal. It might sound unusual, but this simple habit can do incredible things for your arteries, especially once you hit your senior years. EVO, often called liquid gold, is one of nature's most robust heart protectors. It is absolutely full of polyphenols, natural plant compounds that effectively calm inflammation, actively prevent your artery walls from hardening, and keep your blood flowing smoothly. As we age, these polyphenols become even more invaluable because they help restore the smooth, flexible texture of your blood vessels, keeping them strong yet highly elastic. In several major studies, individuals who consumed just 1 to 2 tablespoons of EVO daily saw lower levels of LDL, the harmful cholesterol that promotes clogs. Their overall blood pressure improved, their arteries remained more flexible, and their risk of heart disease dropped by nearly 30%. For seniors, these changes translate into tangible feelings: warmer hands and feet, less heavy feeling after meals, a steadier heart rhythm, and sharper focus. The secret. Olive oil also significantly helps your body absorb more of the nutrients from the other heart-friendly ingredients in your oatmeal, making every single bite even more powerful. Key habit: always choose cold-pressed, unrefined, extra virgin olive oil. Avoid light or blended versions. And never cook with it if you're using it for this benefit. Heat destroys the beneficial compounds. Just drizzle 1 teaspoon over your cooked oatmeal before serving. Blueberries. Blueberries might be small, but they function as incredibly powerful protectors for your arteries. Their deep blue-purple color is not just appealing. It's a signal that they are loaded with something special called anthocyanins, natural antioxidants that help shield your blood vessels from the inside out. As we age, our arteries face constant wear and tear from unstable molecules known as free radicals. These troublemakers damage the delicate inner lining of your arteries, making them rougher and stiffer, which is the very first stage toward plaque accumulation. Blueberries act like a dedicated cleanup crew, sweeping in to neutralize those free radicals before they can cause any lasting harm.
Think of them as tiny,
essential bodyguards that keep your arteries smooth, strong, and flexible. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adults who ate just 1 cup of blueberries every day showed major improvements in blood vessel flexibility and overall circulation. Another study highlighted that blueberries can raise levels of nitric oxide, a compound that signals your arteries to relax and allows blood to flow more freely. Better circulation means improved oxygen delivery throughout your entire body, lower blood pressure, and stronger heart function. Optimal tip: when adding blueberries to your oatmeal, use about half a cup of fresh or frozen berries. Frozen ones are equally healthy because they are sealed at their nutritional peak. As they warm up in your oats, they release that beautiful color, a direct sign their antioxidants are mixing into your meal. Avoid canned or syrupy versions with added sugars, as those can negate the health benefits. Every spoonful is like giving your arteries a daily tune-up, helping to keep your circulation youthful and your heart strong. Flax seeds, they may look tiny and unassuming, but flax seeds are absolute powerhouses when it comes to actively protecting your arteries. Most people completely overlook them, yet they are one of the richest natural sources of soluble fiber and plant-based omega-3s, 2 vital nutrients that help keep arteries clean, strong, and flexible. Flax seeds operate like nature's gentle broom. Once inside your body, their soluble fiber effectively binds with cholesterol particles in your digestive system and helps usher them out before they can harden into stubborn plaque. In one study, people who consumed flax seeds daily saw their LDL, the bad cholesterol, drop by as much as 10% in just 4 weeks, but their benefits extend further. Flax seeds are also packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that soothes internal inflammation within your blood vessels. When your arteries remain calm and relaxed, blood moves freely, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, brain, and heart without strain. Important tip: always use ground flax seeds, not whole. Whole seeds often pass through your body undigested, meaning you miss out on their benefits. Buy them pre-ground or grind them yourself, then store them in the fridge to preserve their healthy oils. Stir 1 tablespoon into your warm oatmeal and allow it to thicken slightly. It's a small, consistent habit that builds a long-term defense for a smoother, healthier path for life. Walnuts. They might look simple, but walnuts are unquestionably one of nature's most powerful tools for keeping your arteries open, flexible, and looking young. Among all nuts, walnuts have some of the highest levels of omega-3 fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and a special amino acid called L-arginine. Your body converts L-arginine into nitric oxide, a crucial compound that signals your arteries to relax and widen, allowing blood to flow easily without friction or pressure. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less nitric oxide. That's a primary reason many older adults experience colder hands and feet, slower healing, and elevated blood pressure. Adding walnuts to your morning meal can help actively reverse this trend. Studies show that eating just a small handful of walnuts each day can noticeably improve the flexibility of your blood vessels and lower triglycerides, a type of fat strongly linked to heart disease. Walnuts effectively help your arteries stretch and contract more smoothly, just like they did years ago. Walnuts also provide vitamin E, magnesium, and polyphenols, all of which protect your artery walls from oxidative stress and stop cholesterol from sticking. Optimal. Tip: for the best results, consume 4 to 5 walnut halves each morning. Chop them up and sprinkle them on your oatmeal after cooking so they stay crunchy and their healthy oils remain intact. Avoid salted or sugary versions, as those extras cancel out the heart benefits. With every bite, you're giving your arteries exactly what they need to stay strong and free-flowing. The power of synergy. By now, you might be thinking, do I honestly need to add all 5 of these ingredients every single morning? The answer is that you absolutely can. And here's the best part. When you combine them, they actually work even better together. This principle is known as nutrient synergy. It simply means that natural foods can boost and enhance each other's effects once inside your body. The essential fiber from flax seeds helps your body significantly absorb more of the powerful antioxidants found in the blueberries. The healthy fats in walnuts help your system efficiently take in cinnamon's protective compounds and a drizzle of extra virgin. Olive oil gently ties the whole meal together, helping your body absorb more fat-soluble nutrients while directly nourishing your arteries. The true secret to long-term heart health is not about doing everything perfectly all the time. It is about consistency. Even if you enjoy this powerful oatmeal combination just a few times a week, it will still make a meaningful difference over time. Morning is generally the best time for this meal, as your body uses those nutrients immediately to balance blood sugar, support circulation, and provide you with steady energy throughout the day. But if you prefer oatmeal as a light evening meal, that is perfectly fine too. The deep benefits remain the same. A quick time-saving trick. Here is a little trick many seniors absolutely love. Prepare small jars of your dry mix ahead of time. Combine your oats, ground flax seeds, and cinnamon. In the morning, all you have to do is add hot water or milk. Toss in the blueberries and walnuts. Then, finish with a drizzle of olive oil. In mere minutes, you have a warm, intensely heart-healthy meal ready to go. Remember, the ultimate goal is not perfection. It's progress. Each bowl works silently to support smoother blood flow, lower bad cholesterol, and build stronger arteries, quietly repairing the wear and tear that age and time have caused. And as always, before making any major diet changes, it is vital to check with your doctor, especially if you are managing existing conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or high cholesterol. This isn't just a basic breakfast. It's daily heart care in a bowl. Real food, real results, and real love for your long-term health. If you found this video genuinely helpful, please make sure to hit that like button. It truly helps the Golden Life Health channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos that put your health first. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.